So if you are African and you have been alive long enough, you will know that people have been romanticizing or fantasizing about a united, like Africa should be united and that's it. We are one. After all, we are one people. And I used to think, oh wow, that's actually a good idea. Like, how come nobody has ever thought of that before? And actually, I agree with that concept, but in a different manner. Okay, here's my take about a United States of Africa. I'm gonna be walking around here because I'm a parent. A United States of Africa is not actually a bad idea, but however, how things are right now in Africa, I don't think we are ready for that. Hey, okay, start go turn off your sound machine. Go turn it off. Okay. So here's the thing. Here's what I think should happen. Okay, let's go, guys. I think what should happen is okay, and we're back. So what I think should happen is that we should have a system in place where every African is tracked. Every movement, if I am, for example, moving from Zambia to Malawi, there should be like a system in place that keeps my records, my travel. This is like for criminal activities, for safety, for security. We still need all that. And I think Africans need security more than anything. This is why I think a United States of Africa could work. So let me know in the comment section if you have a different idea. All right.